Kegiatan hari ini merupakan salah satu rangkaian kegiatan peringatan Hari Bakti Imigrasi ke-72 di tahun 2022, di mana kita akan melakukan fun bike dengan tema Satu Sepeda Sejuta Sahabat.
Hanya 18 kilo, cuman jika ada yang merasa tidak kuat, silakan beristirahat, nanti akan dikawal oleh ambulan dan bisa kita loading sepedanya. Kemudian yang paling penting adalah ketika kita lewat lampu merah, kita berhenti saja, Bang. Nggak ada yang perlu kita kejar, kita berhenti aja, jangan bablas-bablas nanti.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 1, 2, 3, go!
Selamat jalan Bapak Ibu, hati-hati di jalan. Protokol kesehatan tetap dijalankan.
In church, laugh about everyone we're hating at work. Dinner with your sister and the joke's gonna hurt. Cry the way home and you're putting me first. Oh, yeah. You just always know what to say. Strolling down the boulevard, dancing under street lights. Oh, yeah. Every year we get older and I'm still on your side. Maybe I give up anything to travel inside your mind. Maybe I'll fall in love again come every sometime. Daddy taught me to choose it wisely, but you don't have to try. 'Cause maybe I'll fall in love every single time. Every day, summertime. Every day, summertime. Every day, summertime with you. Every day, summertime. Every day, summertime. Every day, summertime with you.
Salam.